Welcome back to Eric Summer TV, where we talk about designs in Canva. Today, we will talk about a video that you think the volume is too low on and you cannot increase the volume. So if you click the video and you click that icon on top, you see it's at 100%. You want it more than 100% and you don't know how to do that. That's what we're going to go through today. So first of all, what you need to do is on the video that you have, right click it and say extract audio. That's Control-Shift-E. And it's going to think, and you see at the bottom now is a line, and you have to give it a little bit of time. This one I'm going to make louder. It is loud, but I'm going to make it even louder than this. Now what you can do is when you click, you see how this, you click the video and you click the audio. Now you're going to hit the audio up here. Now you take it from 100 to, you see how it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger? So now you can take the audio higher than the 100% it was at. So this is really handy when you have a video that it is just too low, it's too faint, and you want to get that little louder. This is how you do it. You just click on the video, right click, and say extract audio. It'll put it at the bottom, and then when it's at the bottom, you can just hit the volume button for the audio and make it go up, well, up to 400%. So 4 times is greater. So that's really comes in handy with a lot of videos that I do. Anyway, thanks for watching Eric Summer TV. See you in the next video, and I'll keep doing videos of experiences in Canva that have helped out with my other channels to get videos moving. So, and that other video I have with the AI, the chat bot that I made is really cool to use that one. I use that for a lot of thumbnails, a lot of titles. I would suggest everyone have a look at that. It's a GPT and it's super cool. Use it all the time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.